Good day mga kalabada! Today I'm going to share with you the third factor to consider in choosing the right location for your laundry shop business. At yan po ay walang iba kundi ang tinatawag na accessibility. Yun, ibig lang po sabihin nito, malapit tayo sa ating mga target market at kaya nila tayong puntahan. They can either walk towards our shop or ride the PUV or ride their car at may parking space po tayo dapat. And of course, nasa ground floor. And finally, meron pong seniors and PWD accessibility at shops natin. Kung meron po tayong lahat yan, very accessible ang ating shop. Chances of success, very high. And let's talk about your dream laundry business on a one-on-one virtual laundry business coaching session with me. Just Viber me at 0998-545-0721 for more details. So, kita-kita tayo soon.